let's see how you can change your username on Gumroad. So Gumroad is one of the best e-commerce platforms, and I highly recommend you if you're thinking about opening your new online business. But after you create your account, you will always have a default username, and maybe you don't know how to change it. So as you can see, mine was selected by default. And if I go to my profile, it always appears here. Or if I create a product, it will always appear as the owner of that product. So if we want to change it, we just need to go to the settings, just scroll down to the bottom and go to settings, then go to profile. And here you will see that you can customize your profile however you want. So you can change it to whatever you want as long as no one else uses that same username. And then you can also set a name and a description for your profile and your logo. So I'm just gonna leave mine like this, update the settings. So now I just need to refresh the website and go here. You will see your new username. And if I go to my profile, you will see that it's different now and it has been updated. It's important to know that by updating your username, the URL of your sub will also change. So take that in account because maybe you were doing some marketing with the old URL and it will stop working. So make sure to update it wherever you are sharing your old link. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.